I guess gravel makes a great universal Allen key because it unscrewed my clips in my pedal, and I clipped in on the way out of the show and wasn't able to clip out the first time I tried to stop. So I hit the ground. Luckily it wasn't on a busy intersection or anything like that. But I rode home and now just chilling at the house. I don't think I'm gonna go out and do anything tonight. I had some other plans, but I think the world might try to take me out tonight.